In this screencast, we're going to explore LeadU, a website made for people trying to explore their personality types, share them with others, and just become better leaders. You don't necessarily have to be a user in order to explore the different personality types, as we can see by clicking on this Myers-Briggs drop-down menu. We'll go ahead and click on the INTJ to find out more. This brings us to a page that has information about the personality type INTJ, or otherwise known as the mastermind. And we can see famous INTJs such as Susan B. Anthony. Going back to the home page, we'll go ahead and log in using Facebook in order to create an account. On the survey page, we can see a user was successfully created. And here we can either enter our type if we know it, or we can go ahead and fill out the survey. But for sake of this screencast, we'll go ahead and enter our type. Once our type has been entered, we're brought to our home page, in which it tells us what our type is, and it has a graph that has our survey results. Now normally, if you were to take the survey, it would have the deviations of how much more of an extrovert you are as an introvert, and so on. But since we entered our type, this graph will just default to 0. On the right, we can see that if you have Facebook friends that use LeadU, you can see their types, such as this ESTJ over here, and the INFP here. Other friends on Facebook, we can invite them to join if we please. Now going back to the home page, now our sign out is successful, and let's go ahead and test our forgot your password feature. Here, a user will be able to enter their email in order to recover their password. And click reset. This will generate an email with instructions on how to reset it. Checking the email, we have an email from LeadU Password Recovery, and we click on it. Now we're brought to the password reset page, and we'll go ahead and enter a new password. Password has been successfully reset. Once we try to log in with it, we have been successfully logged in and brought back to our home page. And here we can see the same friends as we saw before. Now let's go ahead and log in as an admin. We're brought to the admin login page, so we'll go ahead and log in. And this will bring us to the dashboard. One of the new features added has been survey metrics. The nice thing about the survey metrics is we can ask many questions in the survey, and based on a person's personality type, we'll be able to gauge whether or not the survey is as accurate as it should be. And this gives us the ability to refine our questions as we go. As you can see for this question, over the long haul, it's worse to be. Once you answer the question, then it will generate an answer, and it will help you decide what your type is. Here you can see the accuracy is roughly 83%. Now, based on the small amount of users in this database, it might not be as accurate as it should be. But if we don't get a good accuracy reading, then it might be a question that could be looked over and maybe even redone. Logging out of the admin page, we're brought back to the admin login page, and that does it for our screencast. Thank you.